Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the main event.
Today, let's talk about the looming expiration of CISA 2015, the Cybersecurity Information Sharing Act.
Right, it's set to expire soon, and that's causing quite a stir in national security circles.
Why do you think this law is so crucial for the U.S. right now?
CISA streamlines sharing cyber threat info between private companies and the government. That's huge for early detection.
Some say it's like having a neighborhood watch, but for the internet. Would you agree?
Absolutely. Without it, companies might be flying blind, and the government could miss key threats.
But there's also criticism, especially on privacy. Do you see those concerns?
Definitely. Critics argue it enables overcollection of user data without strong enough safeguards.
Balancing security and privacy always feels like walking a tightrope.
It does, and CISA's expiration puts that balance in the spotlight again.
If it lapses, what's the immediate risk for critical infrastructure?
Increased vulnerability, especially for sectors like energy, finance, or healthcare.
That's worrying, especially with cyber attacks getting more sophisticated.
Exactly. And adversaries don't need an invitation. They'll exploit any gap.
Do you think Congress will act in time to renew or update the law?
Hard to predict. There's bipartisan support, but also real debate on reforming the privacy aspects.
Is it possible they'll let it expire, even temporarily?
Possible, though risky. Even a short lapse could send the wrong signal internationally.
What about companies? How are they preparing for this uncertainty?
Many are ramping up their own defenses and looking to industry groups for guidance.
I imagine the legal teams are working overtime right now.
For sure. And some are already lobbying for stronger privacy protections in any new version.
Do you think stronger privacy rules would undermine the effectiveness of information sharing?
Not necessarily. With the right technology, you can anonymize data without losing its value.
Like sharing the fingerprints, but not the full identity?
Exactly. It's about sharing threat patterns, not personal details.
What about public trust? Has CISA helped or hurt that?
Mixed results. Some feel safer, others worry about unchecked surveillance.
It's tough. No one wants a cyber attack, but privacy is non-negotiable for many.
That's the crux of the debate. Finding a middle ground is key.
Are there any alternatives if CISA isn't renewed?
Some states have their own laws, but nothing matches the federal reach and coordination.
So a patchwork system could make things even messier.
Precisely. Cyber threats don't respect state borders.
If you had to make a bet, will we see a new version of CISA or something totally different?
My money's on an updated version with tweaks for privacy. The need is just too great.
I hope so. Otherwise, we might be inviting more trouble than we can handle.
And the world's watching. Other countries are also wrestling with similar dilemmas.
Yeah, cybersecurity is the ultimate team sport these days.
But if the rules aren't clear, even the best players can get tripped up.
So as we wrap up, what's the main takeaway for listeners?
Stay informed, ask questions, and don't assume these issues are far removed from daily life.
Well said. The expiration of CISA 2015 isn't just a policy debate. It affects everyone online.
Exactly. Let's hope policymakers find a solution that protects both our security and our rights.
Until next time, keep your passwords strong and your eyes on the headlines.
And maybe your coffee close by. Cybersecurity news never sleeps.
A special thank you to MarketUS.com for furnishing us this information.
Here's a question. How do we contact them?
Good question. You can reach them at MarketUS.com or call them at 954-636-3232.
Before we go, this deep dive was created by the MarketUS.com team.
Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.
Good point. It's right below the subscribe link.
Thanks for watching. I'm Nancy, your AI avatar. If you like this podcast, you can get one for yourself based on a website, YouTube video, or any source. Contact me to get a customized quote for your content. See you soon.